Hey everyone! Welcome to the Health on Hand YouTube channel. I'm Tagistu Amare, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. We're all about exploring natural ways to boost our health and vitality, and today, we've got something truly special lined up. If you're looking for that one simple addition to your morning routine that could make a world of difference, you're definitely in the right spot. Today, we're exploring a powerful superfood that's been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, Jamun Seed Powder. You might know jamun as Indian blackberry or Java plum, but it's the seed of this incredible fruit that holds a treasure trove of health benefits. For generations, particularly in Ayurvedic medicine, these seeds have been revered for their potent medicinal properties. We're going to unpack exactly why this humble powder deserves a prime spot in your wellness cabinet. Get ready, because we'll uncover 10 compelling reasons to start your day with this natural remedy, specifically on an empty stomach. Taking it first thing in the morning can often enhance its absorption and effectiveness. We're talking benefits that range from metabolic support to skin health, and so much more. So, grab a notepad, maybe a glass of water, and let's explore how Jamun Seed Powder can revolutionize your mornings and your health journey. First up, Jamun Seed Powder is renowned for its remarkable ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The secret lies in its active compounds, particularly alkaloids like jambaline and jambosine. These incredible phytonutrients are believed to slow down the rate at which sugar is released into the bloodstream. Furthermore, Jamun Seed Powder has been shown to enhance insulin activity and sensitivity. This makes Jamun Seed Powder particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or those in the pre-diabetic stage. Starting your day with Jamun Seed Powder on an empty stomach can be especially advantageous for blood sugar management. Think of it as giving your body a head start in managing the sugars it will encounter later. Moving on to our second incredible benefit, let's talk about digestion. If you're someone who frequently struggles with indigestion, bloating, or that uncomfortable feeling of heaviness after meals, Jamun Seed Powder might just become your new best friend. Jamun seeds possess natural astringent properties. These properties can help to gently tone and contract the tissues in your digestive tract. Furthermore, these properties can help in managing conditions like dysentery and other bowel-related discomforts. By promoting a healthier digestive system, Jamun Seed Powder helps create an environment where beneficial gut bacteria can thrive. This can lead to more regular bowel movements, less discomfort, and an overall feeling of lightness and well-being throughout your day. Alright, let's talk about revving up your internal engine. Benefit number 3 is all about boosting your metabolism. A faster, more efficient metabolism means your body burns calories more effectively. So how does Jamun Seed Powder play a role here? Well, it's believed to aid in the breakdown of fats. Certain compounds within the seeds may help to stimulate metabolic processes that target fat stores. Furthermore, an often overlooked aspect of a healthy metabolism is efficient nutrient absorption. Jamun Seed Powder is thought to enhance this process. Kickstarting your metabolism each morning with Jamun Seed Powder can really set a positive tone for the entire day. Now, closely linked to a boosted metabolism is our fourth benefit: supporting weight loss. One of the key reasons Jamun Seed Powder is helpful for weight management is its impressive fiber content. Fiber is an absolute champion when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. On top of being rich in fiber, Jamun Seed Powder is also naturally low in calories. By helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, it reduces those drastic dips that often trigger intense cravings for sugary or high-carb foods. So by helping you feel full longer, providing essential nutrients without excess calories, and assisting in managing those pesky sugar cravings, Jamun Seed Powder acts as a supportive partner in your weight loss journey. It's about making the journey a little smoother and a lot healthier. Let's move on to an organ that works tirelessly behind the scenes: your liver. Benefit number 5 is that Jamun Seed Powder helps detoxify the liver. Jamun Seed Powder is packed with antioxidants, which are vital for liver health. Antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols found in Jamun seeds help to neutralize harmful free radicals. By combating oxidative stress, Jamun Seed Powder helps protect liver cells from damage and supports their ability to function optimally. A healthy liver is better equipped to handle its detoxification duties efficiently. Incorporating Jamun Seed Powder into your routine, especially on an empty stomach, is a proactive way to show your liver some love. Who doesn't want clear, radiant skin? Our sixth benefit focuses on just that. Jamun seed powder can enhance skin clarity. One of the primary ways Jamun seed powder contributes to clearer skin is by purifying the blood. The antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in jamun seeds are believed to help neutralize and eliminate toxins from the bloodstream. Furthermore, jamun seed powder possesses anti-inflammatory properties. By helping to reduce systemic inflammation, jamun seed powder can calm irritated skin from the inside out. This can lead to a visible reduction in acne flare-ups and an improvement in overall skin texture. Achieving that coveted glow isn't just about topical treatments, it's about nurturing your body from within. Benefit number 7 is incredibly important. Jamun seed powder can help balance hormones naturally. Hormonal imbalances can affect men and women of all ages, leading to a wide array of symptoms. One of the key ways jamun seed powder offers this support is through its impact on insulin regulation. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, jamun seed powder can help restore a more balanced hormonal environment indirectly. By helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, jamun seed powder can reduce stress on the endocrine system. For those dealing with hormonal imbalances, particularly women with PCOS, jamun seed powder can be a valuable complementary approach. It's about supporting the body's innate ability to regulate itself. Our eighth benefit is one that concerns a vital organ we all rely on every second of every day. Jamun seed powder helps protect heart health. Jamun seeds are a good source of flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants known for their heart protective benefits. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels and contribute to the development of atherosclerosis. By neutralizing free radicals, flavonoids help maintain the elasticity and integrity of blood vessel walls. In addition to flavonoids, jamun seed powder contains a decent amount of potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in regulating blood pressure. By supporting healthy blood pressure levels, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting the health of your blood vessels, jamun seed powder contributes to overall cardiovascular well-being. Next up, at number 9, we have a benefit that's always top of mind. Jamun seed powder helps strengthen your immunity. Jamun seed powder is armed with impressive antimicrobial properties. This means it can help inhibit the growth of certain harmful bacteria and other microorganisms. Beyond its direct antimicrobial action, the rich antioxidant content in jamun seed powder also plays a significant role in enhancing immunity. Antioxidants protect your cells, including your immune cells, from damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants help ensure your immune system can operate at its peak performance. Incorporating it into your daily routine can be a proactive step towards fewer sick days and a greater sense of overall vitality. And finally, our 10th fantastic reason to embrace jamun seed powder is for improved oral health. One of the common oral health concerns jamun seed powder can address is bad breath, or halitosis. The antibacterial properties of jamun seed powder can help to reduce the population of these odor-causing bacteria. Furthermore, these same antibacterial properties are beneficial in preventing gum infections like gingivitis. By helping to control harmful oral bacteria, regular consumption of jamun seed powder can contribute to healthier gums and reduce the risk of these common infections. So, by maintaining a healthier balance of oral microflora, jamun seed powder can help you achieve and maintain a healthier smile. While it doesn't replace regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups, it can be a valuable natural addition to your oral hygiene regimen. So there you have it, 10 incredible science-backed and tradition-honored reasons to consider starting your day with jamun seed powder on an empty stomach. From regulating blood sugar and aiding digestion to boosting your metabolism, supporting weight loss, detoxifying your liver, enhancing skin clarity, balancing hormones, protecting your heart, strengthening immunity, and even improving oral health, this humble powder packs a mighty punch. It's truly amazing how nature provides such potent remedies for our well-being. Incorporating jamun seed powder into your morning routine can be a natural and effective way to enhance your health. It's a simple step that can lead to profound benefits over time. Of course, remember that it's a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for a balanced diet and exercise. If you've tried jamun seed powder, or if you're inspired to give it a go after watching this, I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. Your insights and stories are what make our Health on Hand community so vibrant. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Health on Hand for more health tips and deep dives into natural remedies, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We're passionate about sharing knowledge that empowers you to take control of your health naturally. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.